It's a lightweight bout between Clay, the Carpenter GUIDA, and KHABIB NURMAGOMEDOV. Born and raised in Dagestan, Russia, KHABIB NURMAGOMEDOV. He won titles twice in the Russian combat rankings, also a two-time world Sambo champion. One of the best takedown artists that we've ever seen compete in the octagon. The Eagle, KHABIB NURMAGOMEDOV.
This guy has outstanding control on the ground, amongst the best in the world, at holding his opponent in the position that he would like to keep him in while utilizing his techniques.
Carpenter GUIDA, coming off a great training camp and feels outstanding.
Clay GUIDA has great footwork, ridiculous cardio, an iron jaw, determination and will, as well as an underrated wrestling and submission game.
Clay GUIDA enters the octagon, set to go to battle, 155. Our tale of the tape for this lightweight collision. Nurmagomedov is 27, GUIDA is 34. Nurmagomedov is 3 inches taller. The rest is virtually identical. And with the official introductions, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 23 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, KHABIB the Eagle NURMAGOMEDOV. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. Freestyle fighter, holding a professional record of 32 wins, 14 losses. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Sacramento, California, Clay, the Carpenter GUIDA! And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Yves Levine.
Yves Levine, our referee for this lightweight collision. Here we go. Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Nurmagomedov. Black trunks for GUIDA.
Oh, flying knee! Vicious shot to the body.
That's
Huge
a beautiful
shot with
hook.
The hook.
Again to the body. Powerful strikes.
There it is. He got the takedown.
Nice movement on the ground. He gets the over-under. GUIDA's got double underhooks. And right to the Muay Thai clinch.
Vicious knee! Oh, big shot from the top.
Man, he's got the reversal. That's a huge
left hand. Now he's got a big takedown.
That was a nasty elbow.
Rough.
Half guard.
Now he's in full guard. Back to his feet again. Amazing. Transitions himself to half guard.
Joe, he's showcasing some great movement on the ground.
Got one overhook and one underhook here.
Joey's looking for some control here.
He's got double underhooks. There's a nice kick.
GUIDA with a good knee to the body.
He'll try to complete the takedown again. Grab the leg, completes the takedown.
He's past the half guard. Now he's got full guard.
Nurmagomedov gets back up again.
Firing that left hand.
Back and forth.
He's limping on that left leg, Mike.
He's defending nicely. Nurmagomedov with a good punch.
Inside leg kick.
He was looking for the head kick, but it was blocked.
Shoots in for the takedown.
GUIDA with the takedown.
Back up again.
Just 10 seconds left in the round.
Oh, huge suplex.
And the round comes to a close, and what a statement he made with that takedown. KHABIB Nurmagomedov barely made it to the end of this round. Man, that was a big knockdown.
That was a huge knockdown, and he barely got out of there. Let's take a look at that from a different angle. And here it is from a different angle.
Ground and pound, okay? Ground and pound. Stand up when you're in the guard to really rain that shot down. Okay, so you don't get stuck up. Got it? Get tight. Let's do this.
And the lovely Brittany.
Are you ready? You ready?
Round two. Tries to set up the takedown.
Huge slice takedown. Good control, postures up. He lands an elbow here. His opponent's got his back here.
That's Clay Guida's head coach, Greg Jackson, telling him to keep his hands up.
Elbow. He's working from his back again. Wow. Back up to the feet.
Joe, he's keeping very busy. Look at the numbers, total strikes landed. He's in a better position here with the tie clinch. Joey's rocked him with that huge knee.
The cut on his...
Oh, big
nice
knee! He's in trouble!
Big takedown.
And he winds up on top.
Oh, big right
Deep
hand.
right hand.
Huge bomb from the top.
That's it. It's
It's all over.
Wow. What a knockout. Ground and pound KO.
Time now for our fight replay.
Let's look at the replay and see the end of this fight. This is the huge ground and pound strike that lands for the KO. Here it is from a different angle. And let's see that again. And he's out.
And here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Eve Levine is going to stop to this contest at 1 minute, 53 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout, KHABIB Nurmagomedov.
KHABIB Nurmagomedov, winner by knockout.